user define that we have completed. Now we start with the predefined function. Predefined function we completed. Now we start with the user defined function. So what is that user defined function? Function, as already we discussed, it breaks the program into a smaller part, and every function is used for specific purpose. Like we're using when you are going to the ATM, it have the cash withdrawal option, mini statement option. So every option is used for a unique purpose. The function is just like that. The similar way, how you have to define a function in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, for defining a function, we're using function keyword. So function, then function name. So let's see here. The function are created by using keyword of function followed by the function name and parenthesis. So this is a parenthesis that we're using. Okay. Then a user defined function can be optionally accept a list of parameters. The parameters that a function accept are provided in the parenthesis and separated by the comma. In the given code, the variable 1 and a variable 2 that we have defined, it is called the parameter. The parameter ra kama kon hochi na user tharu se value nabo, se value ko se accept karibo, accept kala bitare para mane function bitare jaha bi work perform karibar अछि tai function bitare se supply karibo. Suppose I mean mani naba je function hochi grinder or cop, ta bitare ame parameter pase. Parameter, that means what? You can say it is a two different value. ओके पैरामीटर आम कही परिबा जे धर मते मैंगो जूस बनेवार अछि, मैंगोटा होछि मोर पैरामीटर, प्रोसेसिंग हला तापर मते आउटपुट जनरेट कर. So function is just like that. Function name, variable 1 and variable 2. A user defined function can optionally accept the list of parameters. The parameters that a function accepts are provided by the parenthesis and separated by a comma. In the given code, variable and variable 2 represent the parameter. बुझिला एति की अंकिता, शुभम, आत्मज्योति?
Again, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Keep that note for you. So now I define a small function here. So I define here script tag. Just a minute, I just make it font little bit larger. So I define a script tag here. Okay, so now I define a function. Function name is suppose parameter p1, p2. I define function is return you some value. The function is returning some value. Is return p1 to p2. Okay, so it is a function that we define. आम फंक्शन टाइम जो कॉल करवा हमको फंक्शन नेम आम डिफाइन कर सॉरी फंक्शन नेम इज my function. Okay, then it will call where it is called in the body of the method. Okay, that आम एठी यूज करि परिबा document dot get element by id नले आम यूज परिबा demo dot inner html equals to function name is empty function. Empty function and four and three. Okay. Then I define here paragraph. The division tag, I define a paragraph. D tag D is equals to demo. Then B tag is end. So now I run the file. Run file. It is not working. What I do here, I write empty function. Then I complete. Here it's supposed to 10 and 20. Okay. It is multiply the number and show the result. So what I did here, what you have script tray, scripting with a function defined for a function. Function name is empty function p1 p2. Okay, so parameter means when you call the function, you supply some value. The function को जितना call करेगा, तो ये हमें function को केमती call करें ना, ଗୋଟେ variable define करे pr empty function. But 10 and 20 हमें pass करे, जो 10 and 20 टे कोटी store है ला p और p1 और p2 टे store है ला. इसको multiply कला पर value return करियो, return कले कोटी store होगा, pr रे store होगा, then document dot write, एटा show कला एटिया हमको pr रे हमको value show. बुझेला?
Again, sir.
दिशा बुझेला? शुभम, आत्मज्योति, बुझपेलो?
Yes, sir.
दिशा बुझी हो जी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. I will show you some other function. Create another application, right click, new, HTML. So I define add HTML or add number, then I store the file. Here I define input box. Input type equals to text, ID equals to norm1. Okay. Pass the function on blur. On click is there and I pass on blur. On blur equals to, I call the function. Function name is song. Okay. Similar way, I pass here line breaking tag to BR tag by use. Then again I use the same thing. Input type equals to text, ID equals to norm2 on blur. Then I define a paragraph. Paragraph is this type. So the paragraph is Awesome. Input type is equals to input type equals to text. ID equals to song. What author join करेगा? Hello that we don't know. Then here I use the script. Script is end. Function is jari. Sound. Then jar norm1 is equals to parse int. As you take the value, it is a string value. हमें जहाँ भी value नवा सेटा string value ताको से integer रे convert करियो parse int. We meant dot get element ID norm1 dot value first value. Then in second I pass jar norm2 document dot get element ID by